I found a way how to connect your PlayStation controller to your PS4 if it doesn't connect, if you plugged in with a USB, with a micro USB, sorry, and you reset your controller and turned off your PlayStation 4 and all of that didn't work. Don't worry, you just need the remote play app, and you need to singing to your account, PlayStation account. You need to press start. It's connecting, and here you go. You can move your screen with the arrow keys. Press enter on settings, then go down to devices, enter Bluetooth devices, enter and it will show you right here that DualShock is off, so you can press enter and then move your mouse, press on options, and then forget device. Oh, sorry, enter. Don't click on on it with the mouse. Press OK. Then you can take your controller, press your home and share button at the same time until it does this. Then you'll see DualShock 4 here. Press enter. Do you want to register Bluetooth device? Yes. And here you go. Your controller is connected. You can press and that's right. Yeah. It works. So have fun.